Let's make a paint pour coaster for your Christmas tablescape. Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to work with Woodpeckers Crafts to show you how to make your own coaster this holiday. First, add the paint pour to a cup. Then place Woodpeckers Crafts' wooden rounded 9-inch square coaster onto a flat surface. Carefully pour the paint pour mixture over the coaster and watch as it magically starts to create its own design. Next, add small pieces of gold foil to the top of the coaster. Then, let it dry for about 2 days and finally spray a top coat with a clear sealer. Gift them to a friend or set them out as part of your Christmas tablescape. I love how these coasters turned out, and I love that you can customize them with your own color scheme. I hope you enjoy crafting with Woodpeckers Crafts' amazing wooden products this holiday. Until next time, happy Christmas crafting.